Hi, everybody. This is Dr. William Clark here, professor for MBA 610. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick tutorial. And I wanted to record this tutorial just to talk quickly about your narrated PowerPoint project. Now, you're going to have two of those throughout the semester. You're going to have one that's done by yourself and one that's done with the team. And ideally, we provide a couple of tips and tricks inside the portal for you to look at as you complete your tutorial for your two projects. But in terms of the team project, I did want to address that quickly with you. And more specifically, I wanted to talk about how to pitch up, kind of bring everything together when you do the tutorials. One of the things that can be very difficult is trying to navigate a team environment and and trying to navigate how to coordinate resources together. So there are a couple of things that you could do that I do want to offer to you. Number one, you could record, you could divide up responsibilities for slides among team members, so that one individual is recording, their PowerPoint slides, their 2 or 3 slides together or more, and they are sending those slides with the narrated pieces to the person who's collecting everything, and that person then puts it all together. And I've seen a number of students do that. That works just fine. Another strategy that could be used is a kind of a webinar software where everyone on the team logs into that platform or software. They give their presentation, and they're giving their presentation while someone is driving the PowerPoint. So, there's someone on the team who's directing a PowerPoint, going back and forth to the slides that are being narrated. Everyone on the call or the webinar has the ability to speak, and so when your corresponding slides show up, you speak and you share. Now, while this is happening, the platform you use should and may offer the opportunity for you to record the webinar. So the recording of the webinar real time with the entire team on the call at the same time may be an opportunity for you and your team to develop and create your joint presentation in one shot. Therefore, once the PowerPoint has been, or the presentation has been recorded, it can be saved, downloaded, and re-uploaded to the UMUC platform for evaluation. So hopefully those two tips help. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, this is Dr. Clark for MBA 610, and feel free to contact me if you need help. Everybody, I needed to come back really quickly, just to give you some suggestions on platforms that can be used. I typically use a platform called Zoom.us. You could open up a free account to do that. Again, that's Zoom, ZOOM.us. You can also use any of the Google platforms that allows you to do kind of a webinar feature. So any Google Plus platforms that may record live to YouTube, and if you're able to find that, I believe you're able to get multiple users on at the same time. And there are other platforms that you can search that some of you may have access to because of your job or your place of employment. And so if you have access to that, please consider using that as well. The other thing that could be done too is another strategy to record your PowerPoints, is if someone decides to record a video or an audio file going over their slides, and if someone is savvy enough to overlay the audio in some sort of video editing platform, and then screenshot the PowerPoint slides so that it's one streaming video or presentation, that can be done as well. So those are options that are available to you. Use what makes sense to you. Again, the easiest option most students use is the PowerPoint record feature, and folks record separately, send their slides over as a separate file, and someone takes the responsibility and takes the time to compile everything. So hopefully this helps. And again, if you need to contact me, please feel free to do so.